Hi guys, I'm back. So I thought what we would do now is put some toppers on the tags that are in here so that we can grab them out easier. So I have some little pieces of lace here cut, and they're folded tags, so we'll just put it on one side because we don't want to close them shut. So we'll do that. So there's one done. I found some more stuff I can put in here. This has got a little squirrel on it. I mean, cute. It's like a little stamp. It's not a real one, it's printed, but... Alright, so I'll put one on the next one. Maybe. If my fingers will work. So, I have a story to tell you guys. Monday night at a local place, me and my mother went. We just heard on the news today that there was a armed shooter at the very same place. I think just after we had left. I think it's the very same place. I'm not positive, but wow, were we lucky to get out of there. Nobody was hurt. But I think I would have peed my pants if somebody would have come in there with a gun, waving a gun around. Scary. You can't go anywhere nowadays without some psycho person wielding a gun, and it's just crazy. Very, very crazy, this world we live in. So, we got the last one done. I think I might put some in those ones too, those 3 pockets that we have inside the journal. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. I'm doing the best I can with it. I'm trying to work kind of not too fast, but fast enough so that it's not boring. But I don't know. It's kind of fun. So I went back and I put a sticker on that first page there, and off camera. So we'll put a tag topper on that too. Just some lace. I have a whole ream of it, or scan, or skein. I don't know what you call these, but I have a whole bunch of lace. I found that at the thrift store for $1. It was a good find. Very good find, because I use a lot of it. I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out of it. Alright, so we got one on there. We'll put one on there. Speaking of the thrift store, I gotta make another trip here soon to see what they have. I usually like to go once a week to see if they have anything new, you know. I have a couple thrift stores to go to. I have one in my town, which is in Mars Hill, Maine. And there is one in Presque Isle, which is about, I want to say maybe 15 minutes away, not very far. And there's one probably maybe 30 minutes away. But that's only open certain days of the month. I'm not sure why they do it that way, but that one in Caribou has a lot of like old books and paper, and it's a good one to go to. And you can fill a bag up, like a grocery bag, for $5. So believe me, I fill up grocery bags. When they have this, you know, when they have good stuff, I do. So that's what it looks like with the lace hanging out of it. Hopefully not too weird. Too bad it wasn't staggered, you know, like there, we can do that. Stagger it so it's not all right in the middle. Move them kind of so they go the length of the side of the book. So in the cover too, I added a little ticket and a little printable. Thought it looked good in there. So I guess what we'll do is decorate some more pages and then we'll call it done, I think. So we got that one done, we got this one done. Like I said, I'm just going to keep it kind of plain, not too embellished, but I want to put this guy in here. I like him. I think I'll put him right there too. Little squirrely. Squirrely, squirrely. I have squirrels out. I have a bird feeder outside my living room window. And the squirrels, I think, eat at it more than the birds do. But they're so, I love squirrels. And they're so cute. Because, well, I guess I don't have the problem some people have with them being pests and making nests in their homes and stuff like that. So I like them. So we have one that is humongous. He is so big, and he will hang upside down off the side of that bird feeder, and he's a little acrobat anyway, just a little acrobat. It's crazy. But like I said, he's a lot of fun to watch. Yep. I've had that little paper ruffled down some. So know if I want to put him somewhere or not. It'd be fun to do a little flip. We could glue that on there and make it a little flip. Flip up. It's got little butterflies on it. I kind of like that. Well, I put way too much glue on there. It's going to seep all out everywhere. But we need a little bit more up there to put that paper ruffle up there. Or it's actually wallpaper. I got all this stuff around me. We got a little flip here. I think I want to do something with. Maybe put this on there. Then you can flip it up. Put that right there, and maybe that in the middle. There, so when you flip it out, you have like a little scalloped edge there. And maybe I'll put that in the middle or on the bottom, where we want it. Where do we want it? In the middle. Like that. And we got one last page. I got this ruler looking thing. I'm thinking maybe I'll put that and make it a little pocket. And then we'll put it right there. Whoops. Okay. And what can we stick in there? That. Stand out from the crowd, be yourself is what it says. Should we do something on the back? Hmm. Maybe just stick that on there. Maybe that's what we'll do. We'll just stick that on there like that. So, let's take a flip through it here and let me see if I'm done. We got this little thing that flips out. I like that a lot. That come out nicely. And I'm just going to leave these pages blank because it's for writing. This has got the little journaling card here. The word love with some lace and some dictionary paper.